Hey you guys, today is NVIDIA stock day and I wanted to share with you a story. And I happen to own shares of NVIDIA stock. And about a week and a half ago, before it jumped up like 25%, we were talking about what to do with this stock. And he thought you should sell it because it had already gone up a bunch, right? And he said, you got to take some money off the table and it's not a gain until you sell it and recognize the profit. And I had a different point of view, which was, I think NVIDIA is an awesome company. The stock has gone up a lot over the past, couple of years, several years, going back even 5 years, the returns are over 500%. I thought when you have a winning stock, you let your winners run. You just let it go. That's my own personal take on it. But I'd like to hear from you guys. So put in the comments if you think it might be better to realize a profit, because I'm not a trader, but I'm willing to learn from you guys if you guys trade. And maybe there's an advantage that I'm not seeing in my friend's approach, which is, he says either sell all of it or just sell like half of, or just choose a certain amount of your stock and sell that to lock in the profit, and then maybe let the rest of the stock keep going. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Always interested to hear from you. I love to hear your ideas. It always generates an interesting dialogue, either between me and you, or sometimes other people will talk to each other in the comments, which I think is what it's all about, right? That's the whole idea of this YouTube world, is we can share our ideas with each other. So I continue to hold my NVIDIA shares. I haven't sold any, but you know what? One thing my friend said when it was about a week and a half ago, I don't remember exactly the price, but he said, I just don't see this company going up that much. It was like a $700 billion market cap company. And I didn't know either. I couldn't say if or when it was going to go up. And then they announced their earnings and predictions for the future, and the stock shot up like 25% in a day. And I've never seen anything like this before. So that's why it's still kind of fresh in my mind. But AI seems to me that it's here to stay. And NVIDIA seems to be like one of the major companies that's going to benefit from GPUs and from people using computers and needing to process more and more data. So it seems to be like a smart place to be. And for me, if I sold off my NVIDIA, even part of my holdings, to lock in a profit, I think I would regret it in the future. I'd look back and go, why did I sell? Kind of like people who own Amazon, say 10, 15 years ago. If they'd sold, they probably would have said, why did I do that? That was like the stupidest thing I ever did. So this is not financial advice. I just want to underline that. I'm just sharing ideas and asking you guys for input. So put it down below. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That's super helpful in letting other people know about this. And if you have not yet subscribed, I talk about stocks, I talk about ETFs, and I share new ideas with you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.